Scott because his dumbass got stuck. Say hi, Scott. He's being an idiot. Now Jordan has to pull him out.
My car's not made for this.
Is this another case of your vaginitis?
No, my car's just not made for this. Why didn't you bring your little
Marty?
bitch car out here?
I could have brought Marty. Marty's got more sack than Daisy.
Is it a V8?
No. Fucking V4.
Probably does. This truck's not powerful.
Inline 4 is what I've got.
I'm not gonna lie, I might be stuck.
You might be stuck?
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
You might get stuck? Yeah. That'd be fucking hilarious. Short enough?
Jordan, you want to talk any shit about how Scott got stuck?
I mean, he already fucked himself, so. My car isn't Jordan.
Marty would get stuck too. It's okay. We should have brought the
Probably has less tread than mine.
should have brought the crotch rocket back here.
Yeah, no. I can't take that on dirt roads. I tried it and it's scary as hell.
Sliding everywhere.
Yeah, you literally like back and forth sliding. Back up as much as you can. Like into the rut? Yeah. Are you sure? It's gonna be harder to pull it out of the rut, isn't it?
I mean, I'm not worried about getting it out of the rut. If it doesn't come out of the rut, then we'll try it the other way.
Alright, I'm gonna cut to the left some and try to back out at an angle that way.
I can probably pull you
It's
out.
in neutral.
What?
It's in neutral.
It is?
Yeah.
I'll give you $500 if you can pull this truck out.
Go back right up into mine.
No, I'm
Back
talking.
up, Scott.
What?
Back up. Turn this way. Turn whatever way you want then. Okay, stop.
You're fucked now.
Alright, Casey, don't stand anywhere close to this road.
Yeah, I'm about to get away. I really don't feel like getting popped in the face. Nope. Raise your arms in celebration, bitches.